Cold start. About to go inside, see what this GT-R is like. This is where I stay in peace. Save some money. When I'm not here, I'm in New York. I mean in Ohio. Look, rat. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I'm in the hood with the hood rats. This is what I do every morning. Find free parking early in the morning. It's 4:39 right now, but I've been here about an hour. And I go to sleep until it's time for me to go to work. No, it's crazy, but this is what I do. It's my girl texting me. It's Monday. This is part of my routine. Check. Gotta inspect the swing stage. All the way up to the roof. This one is indeed way up here. And this is where I'm I do this every day before anybody gets on the swing stage, including myself. This is what we look at. Everything looks good. Brake is protected. Yeah. This is good. Hey, I did that good. The windows and everything. Hey, we're doing good. That's 14 yards. City. So to elaborate more on what my goal is with this channel, it's I'm trying to retire this year. So it's a high goal, I know, but I got to get out of this business because it's breaking me down, mentally and physically, especially physically. But yeah, so I invest my money. I invest right now as much as possible. I invest in crypto. I invest in the stock market. Let me get back to this. So, yeah, like I said, I invest in cryptos. I invest in the stock market. I bought my first house last year, 2020. I try to do everything possible right now to make money, make as much money as possible. I made over $4 grand selling my old Pokemon cards for over 25 years ago. I didn't expect to be making that much money selling them cars, but you know, I did. I was happy I did. And what I do with that money, I invested it so I can make some more money. Whole purpose of this channel is for me to get a damn GT-R and then really show the car side of this channel. Right now, my daily driver is it was my Jeep, but I'm about to sell it. I got a 2008 Jeep JK 4-door. I'm getting a little work done to it before I sell it. Just upgrading a little more parts. It's already been upgraded. I bought it stock, but it's already been upgraded. But now I've been driving a 2007 Honda Fit. It's good on gas. It's not ideal. I used to have a 350Z that I loved. I sold. I got a G35 right now that I keep in Ohio. Got the R8 right there.
Yeah, the one we just delivered yesterday is the same color.
Yeah, I saw it was what, a 13?
Yeah.
And that one went for 75.
I don't know the specifics.
Look at the top of his head.
Future car, guys.
I'll see if it starts.
All right. Close start.
So what, you want to test drive it?
You can't drive it today.
Oh, can't drive it today?
No, we won't.
Because of the question mark, right?
Okay.
Yeah. We don't want to jeopardize anything.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right, well, and it's the color I want too.
Yeah, that's the first part. This is exactly what color he wants.
Well, let's go inside and we'll talk. I mean, nice privacy glass.
Yes.
Fresh in at Airport Infinity. They still not sure what they want to sell this for. But if you in the market for Audi R8 and you're in Cleveland, Ohio, there you go. I'm a little bummed I didn't get to test drive the GT-R. They said that there's something going on with it, so that's why they only started and gave it a couple revs. They didn't want to risk it possibly breaking down on me, which I understand. I don't believe that would have happened, but you know, it's not like I was gonna drive it like I stole it, because you know. But when I own it, I'm gonna drive it like I stole it. But this is the place where I might be buying my GT-R. It's called Airport Infinity, Cleveland, Ohio.